Yo, what the fuck is this? Got the panties in the air. The panties in the air.
I wanted if I had my phone, I would record it too. Like,
Yo,
that's crazy.
the bloomies and the bloomers.
She don't mind. She don't mind. Whatever it is, she don't mind.
What's going on, Captain America, baby? That's his wife. Captain America. So, sir, how you feeling today? Last night you was preaching. It's not been.
Just realize nothing what you see matters.
Oh, that's a political statement right there.
Could you tell me why Donald Trump is a piece of shit?
He's mad right now because I don't know.
Because I don't know.
It's because the TV told you so.
Oh, he feels that we're being mainstream watched by television, news, and media.
Oh, we never thought that before he was a president, though.
Oh, we never thought that.
Oh, we never thought that. It's only because Donald Trump doesn't like to be called out on his shit, so he has to put the media out.
Oh.
Though before Donald Trump was president, we were all saying that the media fucked up.
But you know what?
What?
Donald Trump is not really right and not really wrong about that. The media does have an agenda. Whenever their agenda comes out.
But he fucked a hooker,
they-
man.
they-
And he lied about it. Be honest.
Fuck the hooker. Well, let's talk about the Hillary.
Hold on, put the camera back on me. Who hasn't fucked a hooker?
All right, the typical black guy. All right. Back to
Look
Italian.
at John F. Kennedy.
Non-minority.
John F. Kennedy
Says the
fucked
guy
Marilyn
who has fucked
Monroe.
some hookers.
What are you talking about? I don't. All right. All right, he's out the video.
You gotta remember, we all gotta be libtards. Right? We all go to fight for something. We have no idea what we're fighting about. Right? It's his fault. Fucking
I like
niggas.
to fight.
Fucking niggas, so they come and rob you. That's what they do. They want to rob you.
It's not true.
They always make a neighborhood a ghetto.
Not true.
They always
Not
make it
true.
to a ghetto.
Sometimes we
Fucking loud ass spics.
Sometimes we help fucking situations.
Yo, I'm fucking Puerto Rican proud. But my mother followed Italian, unfortunately. All right, he was Italian, all right.
Spics.
All right.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. Unbelievable. Oh, tell you about these fucking white people, bro. Don't be too loud.
Don't be too loud around the white folks.
You don't want to do that. You know what you're fighting about? Nothing.
Oh.
That's what you're fighting about.
And that's another of Bird's Streets YouTube network. We'll be back for our next sequel.
That's right. Just blame it on the guns.
Blame on the hookers. Nah, the hookers are cool. They're cool.
Nah, don't blame it on the hookers.
Let me tell you about guns. Guns know how to get up, and they know how to motivate and move, and they just float around and shoot people.
A dumbass can shoot anybody.
That's right. Take away the guns, and then what you have arrows.
Guns don't kill people. People kill people.
All right. To be continued on that one.